Hello everyone, myself lecturer Miss Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques from KK Bagh Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori, Nasik. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Introduction to Pastes from as a semi-solid dosage form from Pharmaceutics 2. The topics to be covered from this session are as follows: Introduction to paste as a semi-solid dosage form, types of pastes, bases used for pastes, preservation or storage of paste, evaluation of pastes, and difference between pastes and ointments. So let's see in detail about the paste. First of all, definition: pastes are homogeneous semi-solid dosage form contains high concentration of insoluble powder substance that is not less than 20% dispersed in the suitable base. The pastes are usually less greasy, more absorptive and stiffer than ointments. They have the good adhesion on the skin and they do not melt at ordinary temperature. Types of paste: based on the type of bases used in the formulation, the pastes are classified as follows. Fatty pastes: these formulation consist of fatty or oleaginous bases. For an example, zinc oxide paste. Then next one, aqueous gel pastes. These are prepared with the water miscible bases. For an example, sodium hydroxymethyl cellulose paste or titanium dioxide paste. Then hydrocolloid pastes. These preparations consist of hydrocarbon bases. For an example, toothpaste, zinc oxide gelatin paste. Medicated paste in this figure, that is Epsol, and non-medicated paste, for an example Colgate. Bases used for pastes: hydrocarbon bases, for an example soft paraffin and liquid paraffin used as a base. Then water miscible bases, emulsifying ointment is used as a base. Also the glycerin is also used as a base, and the water soluble bases in that combination of high and low molecular weight polyethylene glycol are mixed together as a base. The next, preservation or storage of paste. The paste should be stored in a well closed container and in a cool place so as to prevent evaporation of moisture present. Then evaluation of pastes. There are total 7 evaluation parameters for paste. In that, evaluation of heat stability, then determination of viscosity, then compatibility with the container, then fourth one, determination of safety of product, then fifth one, test for sensitization, sixth one, determination of particle size, and seven, determination of gelation behavior. Then let's see the difference between pastes and ointments. Pastes. First point, the pastes contains high concentration of solid substances as compared to ointments, while the ointments contains less concentration of solid substances as compared to pastes. Second point from the pastes are usually less greasy, while the ointments are more greasy. Then pastes are more absorptive, while the ointments are less absorptive. Pastes are more stiffer, while the ointments are less stiffer. Then pastes are more thick as compared to ointment, while the ointments are less thick as compared to paste. Example of paste is, for an example, compound zinc paste BP, that is British Pharmacopoeia. And example of ointment is, best example of ointment is, for an example, sulfur ointment. So the what we learned from this topic, introduction to paste, semi-solid dosage form, the learning outcomes are: what is paste as a semi-solid dosage form, then types of pastes, Then bases used for pastes, preservation and storage of paste, then evaluation of pastes, and the difference between pastes and ointments.